Hello and welcome to Capital City Beads. My name is Christina, and in this video, I will be showing you how to make a simple beaded hoop earring using our 30mm hoop earring wire and size 11 Miyuki Delicas. This hoop earring finding is super fun and versatile. You can string beads directly onto it or weave beads on the outside using thread or wire. You can use any beads you like for this design. Size 11 Miyuki Delicas and Miyuki rounds work great for a sleek, minimal look. The only beads I've tried that don't work out are size 11 check glass seed beads. Their holes are just a little too small. To get started, we need to gently bend the hoop wire with a chain nose plier so that it's at a slight angle. This will make it easier to string on beads and easier to put these earrings on. I also like to give the looped clasp end a little squeeze to make that opening a little smaller so that these earrings are a bit more secure and it won't pop out easily. Now you're ready to string on the beads. Add one bead at a time in any pattern you can imagine. It can be random or thought out, whatever sparks your interest. On this design, there is a total of 60 Delica beads. Whatever design or type of bead you use, be sure to leave about a ½ inch of space between the end of the wire and your beads. This is where the ear is going to go when you have these earrings on, so you want to make sure there's enough room for your earlobe. Go ahead and hit pause and come back when you've strung on all your beads, being sure to leave that ½ inch of space for the ear. Now that your design is complete, we need to secure these beads with a dab of glue so they do not move around and fall off of the wire. Gently position them into place and get a piece of paper or a card. I'm using an earring card so that glue doesn't get on my mat. I'm going to use Hypo Cement glue. You can use E6000 or any clear glue you have on hand. Starting with the clasp end of the hoop, we're going to move the last few beads up into the loop clasp and out of the way. Dab a small amount of glue onto the wire and slide the beads back down onto the glue. It may be a little messy, but you can just wipe off any excess and then get the beads into position. Now you need to glue the opposite end of beads by the ear wire. Move the first few beads out of the way towards the end of the wire. Add a dab of glue onto the wire and slide the beads back down into place. Wipe off any excess glue and put the earring down. Resist the urge to touch, move, or check the beads once they're in place. You want to give the glue time to set so the beads adhere to the wire. Once you've given these earrings a good 15-20 minutes of rest, you're ready to enjoy your new hoop earrings. All of the beads, tools, and supplies I used in this video can be found at CapitalCityBeads.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and TikTok at CapitalCityBeads.